Hello and welcome to your first C++ tutorial. In this video, I will show you three different IDEs. IDE is used to write, compile and also test the program which we write. So the first one is Turbo C++. This is the most commonly used IDE at schools. To download it, go to link 1 in the video description. Now click download. Once you have downloaded and extracted the folder, this file will appear. Run the setup.exe. Click on next, accept, next, install and wait for it to install. Now click on start Turbo C++. So as you can see, it has already written programs for us. This is the most common Hello World program. To run the program, we have to press Alt F9, which will compile the program, and then press Ctrl F9, which will run the program. So press Alt F9, 0 errors, Ctrl F9, and it says Hello World. Click enter. Now we will get out of this one. Go to link 2 in the video description, which is right below the like button, and download this CodeBlocks 17.12 MINGW setup. Once you download it, you will get a file like this one. Double click on it. Next, 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 next. Yes. Next, finish. Press OK. OK. Now click on create a new project. Now console applications. Make sure it is C++, not C, because we have to learn C++. Give a project title. I'll name mine YT, YouTube. Leave it as it is. Click on sources, main.cpp. Now as you can see, it has already started writing program for us. This is the Hello World program. So it should say Hello World when we run it. So let's run the program. It says Hello World. Yes. Now the third one is CppDroid, which we will install on a phone. To download CppDroid, go to link 3 in the video description. Now this application we won't be using in our tutorial. This is for times when you can't access a computer or a laptop. So we won't be going in details. Thank you for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe and tell me how to improve my videos down below. See you in the next one.